After the hoisting of the national flag by the Honorable Prime Minister and the 21-gun salute, flower petals being showered at the venue by two Mi-17 helicopters of the Indian Air Force, one trooping the national flag and the other trooping a flag depicting Vande Mataram. The captains of the helicopters, Wing Commander Rajat and Squadron Leader Ankit Varshane. What a sight to behold!
वंदे मातरम के 150 वर्ष पूरे होने के शुभ और पावन अवसर पर Mi-17 हेलीकॉप्टर्स उनका झंडा लेकर आसमान में विलीन होते हुए और अब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय के उद्बोधन की प्रतीक्षा। प्रधानमंत्री महोदय विशिष्ट दर्शक दीर्घा में मौजूद विशिष्ट अतिथिगणों को अभिवादन करते हुए
flower petals coming onto the ground like blessings from all our freedom fighters, from all our elders. Shri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's song Vande Mataram, which still unites, still reverberates in our hearts, still ignites the hearts with patriotism. Contingents of the military band and the tri-services along with the Delhi police now marching smartly from the front of the ramparts towards the right of the ramparts of the Red Fort. What a march, stoic and precise.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ పై క్లిక్ చేయండి.